Hello everyone. We are welcome back to our Friday live session. It's Aditi Kadam, team leader of sourcing department. Before going ahead with the live, can we have a next slide, please? So yeah, before going ahead with our requirements, our overseas requirement, let us know something about Seagull International first. Seagull International is a human resource consultancy with hold ISO certified global human resource headquarters in Mumbai. Then we have overseas branches as well, and Seagull is approved by Ministry of External Affairs by Government of India. Next slide. Okay, so we have our branches in Cochin, Delhi, Vadodara, Chennai, Vizag, Kolkata, and our international branches are like Sri Lanka, Dubai, Kuwait, Nepal, Qatar, Sweden, Lithuania, and UK. We have our website jobforyou.com. Seagull, the candidate who are interested in the upcoming requirements, which will be showing us to you right now, you can register here, or you can also scan the QR code given below. So our recruiters will contact you. We also have Facebook accounts. Like same procedure, you can follow us on Facebook ID, or you can also scan the QR code and land to your desired job. We have our Telegram pages. So same procedure, scan and drive your. We have our Instagram page as well, Seagull International LLP. You get same procedure. You have to scan the QR code to get the upcoming opportunities. The candidate who want to work within India, like domestic region, we have a Seagull staffing group. You can also scan this QR code. So our staffing group get connected to you for the next job opportunities. So let's get started with our new upcoming opportunities. It's a Qatar. This requirement is for Qatar. It's a free recruitment online project, or long-term project. Sorry for this. It's a client interview is not yet been scheduled. It's going to be held in Chennai. The position are as follow. They are looking for QC inspector, mechanical supervisor, then lifting supervisor, senior mechanical technician, ops support technicians, then senior rotating equipment technician in field, senior workshop technician, crane operator who hold offshore experience, then deck crew or rigger, offshore experience candidates, and scaffolder inspector offshore. Welder, rigger, machinist. Remember, all these candidates need Gulf experience and oil and gas industry experience, so petrochemical refinery experience is also okay. It's a maintenance, shutdown, or turnaround experience is a great thing. It's a long-term project. They are looking for candidate who hold 5 to 10 years of experience in this requirement. Interested candidate can share your CV in seagullch.qatar@gmail.com, or you can also share the CV on the given. You can also contact our candidate recruiters. This procedure they and you can also scan the QR code. Remember, for the entire requirement, food, accommodation, transportation is provided, plus salary and overtime is also provided by the company. Do join this. Okay, so for Chennai, the same procedures. Chennai for this dates have been finalized on the 4th of September in Chennai office, Seagull office. So candidate who are in nearby Chennai locality, you can also visit our office in Chennai, or you can also apply by scanning the QR code. Okay, so the same requirement coaching interview long-term project. The same requirement interview has been held on 13th of September in Cochin office. The candidate who are in nearby Cochin area can share your CV on the given email address seagullcochin@gmail.com, or you can also scan the QR code given there. Or you can visit our office, or you can also contact and share your CVs to that, so the recruiter will contact you to share the opportunities. Okay, so next we have opportunity for Ultra Babcock. It's a Qatar location, and it's a long oil and gas petrochemical maintenance project. It's a free recruitment and long-term project. We having a client interview on 4th of September in Chennai. The position are as follow. They are looking for senior mechanical technician, then mechanical technician, QC inspector, mechanical supervisor, lifting supervisor, then op support technician, then a senior rotation equipment technician, rotating equipment technician in field, senior workshop technician, crane operator, deck crew, rigger, or scaffolding inspector. For these three requirements, we need offshore experience candidate. Then welder, swap plus GTAW, rigger, machines. All these candidates should hold Gulf experience, and oil and gas industry experience is mandatory. Free food accommodation and transportation is provided by the company, and candidates who are interested in this requirement share your CV in seagullch.qatar@gmail.com, or you can also scan the QR code given over there. Okay, so we have a next opportunity in Innova. It's an airport maintenance project, and its location is UAE. We're having a client interview in Delhi office. So it's like on 8th of September. They are looking for a security system. In security system, they are looking for supervisor, team leader, or technician. The candidate should hold maintenance and troubleshoot experience in this. Then they are looking for preconditioned air unit. In that, they are looking for technician or assistant technician. They need experience in maintenance and troubleshooting preconditioning airs. Then electromechanical. They are looking for in this. They are looking for supervisor or team leader or technician. Okay, then baggage handling system. In this, they are looking for electromechanical technician or assistant technician. Then passenger boarding bridge and group power unit. For this, they are looking for supervisor or team leader or technician. Then automated trial written system. For this, they are looking for supervisor, team leader, or technicians. They should be familiar with McDonald Handray automations and has a storage experience in maintenance and troubleshooting. For technician, AGL, basically they have a salary bracket is around 2000 to 2400, basic plus 750 plus 400. Okay, the minimum 2 years for technician, they need 2 years of experience. In technician qualification, diploma, minimum 4 years of experience is maintenance, is mandatory. Then in technician CNS, for that the salary range is 2000 to 2200 basic plus 750 plus 400 on top. Minimum 2 years experience in technician and diploma in 3 years of experience is maintenance mandatory. Maintenance installation on support of communication, like a navigation and surveillance system is mandatory. Technicians and candidate shortlisting in process. Candidates who are interested, who want to attend the interview, visit the Delhi office, or you can share the CV in seagulldelhi1@gmail.com, or you can also scan the QR code given over there. So we have our next opportunity for Qatar. It's a free recruitment and immediate departure. They're looking for HSC coordinator, then mechanical supervisor, workshop supervisor, then senior rotating equipment technician, and then rotating equipment technician. The candidate who hold only oil and gas industry Gulf experience candidate can apply for this role. It's an immediate departure for this. The candidate can share your CV on seagull1@seagullhr.com, or you can also scan the QR code given over there. Okay, it's the same requirement. The candidate who are in nearby Cochin area can share your CV to seagullcochin@gmail.com, or you can also scan the QR code for the given above. Okay, it's the same requirement for this Qatar free recruitment, HSC officer, mechanical supervisor, workshop technician. For HSC supervisor coordinator, actually they're looking for diploma or degree in relevant experience, and 5 to 7 years of experience in the maintenance, additional, and oil and gas process. The mechanical supervisor, they're looking for 10 years of maintenance experience, diploma or degree, mandatory. Then workshop technician should hold technician certification or diploma, and they looking for a great experience in workshop field. Then senior rotating equipment technician, they should hold diploma or NVQ level 3 certification or any equivalent certification is okay, or education. Minimum 10 years of experience in the relevant field. Then rotating equipment technicians, they are looking for a technician certification, diploma or any relevant field, and 5 plus years of experience is mandatory in rotating equipment maintenance project. Only oil and gas Gulf experience candidate can apply for this requirement. Candidate who are in nearby Chennai, share your CV, seagullchennai.info@gmail.com, or you can also scan the QR code. Okay, it's the same requirement. Here, this time is for Barodra. The candidate who are in nearby Barodra team can share your CV to seagullbarodra2@gmail.com. For this requirement, oil and gas Gulf experience is mandatory. Okay. So we have a next opportunity for Ultra Cape Qatar. It's a client interview on 31st of August in Punjab. They're looking for scaffolder, mostly only oil and gas experience, Gulf experience candidate can apply for scaffolder. PWK foreman, scaffolding, then scaffolding supervisor, scaffolding inspector, scaffolding site in charge. Shortlisting is in process. Only oil and gas Gulf experience candidate can apply for this requirement. Free food, accommodation, transportation is provided by the company and it's a free recruitment, attractive salary. Candidate who want to attend this interview in Punjab location can share your CV in Seagull Qatar 2026 @gmail.com. Or you can also scan the QR code given over there. Okay, so it's the same requirement. I'll try to keep this so interview on 13th August in Punjab. District is Gurdaspur. The candidate who are in nearby Gurdaspur area can share your CV in Seagull Qatar 2026 @gmail.com. Okay, so the same interview is in Gurdaspur, 1st September 2026. At the location is a little change. The candidate who hold a relevant experience in the given field can share your CV in Seagull Qatar 2026 @gmail.com. Okay, on 3rd September also we have the interview in Gondia, Maharashtra. The candidate who are in this relevant this locality can share your CV in the given email address Seagull Qatar 2026 @gmail.com. Okay, so we have another opportunity, the free recruitment. It's a hiring oil and gas project. Mostly pipe shop fabricator work experience candidate is mandatory for this project. Then the UAE location, the position as follows. They are looking for senior planning engineer in construction background. Salary as I mentioned, 10 to 15,000. Then operation specialist, shutdown one. Then for that salary is around 20 to 24,000. Single point authority or appointed person. For that basic salary will be 14 to 15,000. Procurement engineer in ENI, the salary for this is 8 to 10,000. Job performer civil, 3,500 to 4,000. Then land surveyor, 4,000 to 5,000 is the salary. Remember, for this requirement, oil and gas industry experience is mandatory, plus Gulf experience is important. Attractive salary plus free food and accommodation provided by the company. And candidates who are interested in this requirement can scan the QR code, or you can also share your CV to resume1@seagullhr.com. Okay, so we have another requirement for Havelock 1, Bahrain. Okay, the candidate who want to interested in to visit the Bahrain location can apply for the requirements. The client interview will be held shortly. It's a long-term project and a free requirement. The position are as follow. The architecture, they're looking for architecture, metal fabricator, joiner division. So basically, they're looking for fabricator or fitter, 3+ years of experience in metal framework or door, gates, fences can refabrication drawing. And then the another requirement is TIG, sorry, welder. For that, they're looking for around 3+ years of experience in welding, metal fabric framework or door glass. Then CNC programmer, CNC laser cutting operator, then machine operator can apply for this 5+ years of experience in wood, metal, furniture manufacturing is mandatory. For this, the benefits are like compensation plus overtime with private medical. The insurance provided by the company, shared accommodation with subsidy, food and transportation provided by the company, reimbursement of GAMCA medical provided by the company. There is a particular age limit for this requirement. They're looking for age limit from 22 to 50 years of age. Candidate who are interested want to work in Bahrain can share your CV in job.seagallinternational@gmail.com, or you can also scan the QR code given over there. Okay, so we have another opportunity. It's for hiring in oil and gas offshore or turnaround long-term project. It's in Abu Dhabi. Online interviews in progress. They're looking for ENI engineer. Salary is given over there 7,000 to 9,000. They're looking for PE electrical and instrumental engineer with 3+ years of Gulf experience commissioning. Then planning engineer, for planning engineer salary bracket is around 20 to 24,000. Then this also they're looking for bachelor degree in electrical or instrumentation, 3+ years of commissioning. Then senior mechanical engineer in piping field, for the salary is same 20 to 24,000. They're looking for B in mechanical plus 18 years of experience in preferred ADNOC, and they will prefer ADNOC experienced candidate. 8 plus years of efficient and offshore or turnaround project shutdowns. Then operations specialist around 20 to 24,000. Turnaround division. It's a turnaround division. Operation specialist. So then for that they're looking for BE mechanical or petrochemical engineer with 18 plus years of experience. Mostly preferable ADNOC experience. If you don't have ADNOC experience, that too fine. You can apply for this requirement as well. Free food accommodation provided by the company and candidates should hold Gulf experience is mandatory for this requirement. Candidates who are interested in this position can share a CV job.seagull.international@gmail.com. Okay, so we have another opportunity in UAE. It's a free recruitment online interviews in process. So requirement are as follow. They are looking for STS GTC crane machinist, mostly electrical or degree diploma mandatory. Heavy duty equipment mechanical. There's for degree diploma mandatory for this requirement. Then QC inspector in welding. Then project job performer ENI engineer, NDT technician, job performer mechanic, procurement engineer ENI junior, then senior planning engineer construction, operations specialist shutdown, single point authority appointed person, procurement engineer ENI, job performer junior ENI. For this entire requirement, salary is given over the as respective salary is provided by in front of you. All these candidates should hold Gulf experience is mandatory plus oil and gas industry experience. Candidates who are interested, share your CV and resume one at seagull.com, or you can also scan the QR code given above it. Okay, so we have another opportunity for UAE only. It's an international company in oil and gas project. Online interview is in process. They're looking for site engineer mechanical who hold experience in heavy and fabrication. Bachelor degree in mechanical engineering or any relevant field is okay. Proven experience in managing mechanical projects with a focus on lip sealing welding or welding technician or fabrication process. The candidate should be familiar with materials with the high pressures and corrosion environment. Certification that PMP certification is a plus. Then experience in oil and gas, chemical or heavy fabrication industry. Working knowledge of Middle East in preferable. Candidate who hold Middle East experience will be will be given more preference. Then attractive salary and other perks and benefits are provided by the company. Candidate who want to apply for this requirement can share your CV in Seagull Qatar 2026 at gmail.com. Okay, so we have another opportunity for Saudi Arabia. It's for RP Hilton. It's a free recruitment and it's a client interview on 30 August in Kolkata. It's for insulator. They need hundreds candidates over there. For this, should be candidates should hold experience in oil and gas or petrochemicals, similar industry experience. Attractive salary, free food accommodation provided by the company. And candidate who need more details can share your CV on Seagull Kolkata series at gmail.com, or you can also scan the QR code given over there. Okay, so we have another same RB Hilton holding an interview on UP in around Dioria for insulator. It's on 1st of September. Client interview. Candidates who are interested in this requirement can share your CV to Seagull Kolkata CV at gmail.com. You can also scan the QR code given over there. Okay, so it's a airport project again. Innova, it's a free recruitment. It's a client interview, as I mentioned, is on Delhi on 8th of September. The position are as follows. They're looking for security system. Then looking for a preconditioned air unit. Then electromechanical. Then baggage handling system. Then passage boarding bridges and ground power unit. Then automated tray unit system. The candidate who are interested in this requirement hold airport projects and who are nearby Delhi location can attend this interview. The interested candidate can share your CV on Seagull Delhi 1 at gmail.com, or you can also scan the QR code given over there. Okay, so we have another opportunity for Ultra. It's for safety officer. It's a free recruitment and it's for Abu Dhabi. It's a client interview on 3rd of September in Cochin. In Cochin office, Seagull Cochin office. For safety officer, they're looking for degree in minimum 3 years or 3 plus years of engineer experience or 3 years of engineering diploma or science degree. NEBOSH and general certification is mandatory. 3 to 5 years of oil and gas industry experience is preferable in Middle East. Good command and written spoken communication skills with ability to communicate efficiency with both workforce and management. So for this requirement, they're basically looking for a great communication skill candidate and who hold degree or diploma in any relevant field, mostly in oil and gas industry. Experience is mandatory and negotiations are most important. Candidates who are ready to travel at a short notice need to apply for this requirement. Attractive salary plus free food and accommodation is provided. Candidate nearby coaching area should take this opportunity. The interview is on 3rd September. Share your CV in seagullcoaching@gmail.com, or you can also scan the QR code given over there. Okay, this is from my end. Now, Rajesh sir will coordinate with you for the next slides.
Yeah, thank you, Aditi. Good afternoon, friends. My name is Rajesh. I'm going to introduce about the upcoming interviews and the vacancies. Here is the requirement for the Qatar for a base load project, long term. Free recruitment, shortlisted candidate allowed for client interview at Chennai office. Free recruitment, electrical technician, fire and gas technician, instrument technician, mechanical technician, technician labor, ancillary technician, electrical technician, reliability, instrument technician, reliability, cash control system technician, welder, steel cap operator, fabricator technician, wall technician, carpenter, admin assistant, general service tech foreman, deck clerk, production, document clerk, custom clerk, SPO designer, and CAD CAD technology, CAD planner, training coordinator, trainer, packaging material coordinator, logistic warehouse, forklift operator, valid Qatar license, forklift operator, valid Qatar license, logistics staffing coordinator, valid Qatar license, forklift license, senior engineer operator, beginning line, valid Qatar license, level 3 clerk and valid Qatar license, senior equipment operator and valid operator license, equipment valid or Qatar license, shuttle bar valid bus Qatar license. Candidate, those who are interested can share your CV on a given Gmail ID, or you can walk in through our Chennai office, or you can contact on the given mentioned number. There is another same requirement for the Mumbai for QCon, QCon call for a base load project, long term only shortlisted candidates allowed for a client interview at Mumbai. Free recruitment, electrical technician, fire and gas technician, instrument technician, mechanical technician, technician labor, analyzer technician, electrical technician reliability, instrument technician reliability, center system technician, welder, steel cab operator, fabricator technician, wall technician, carpenter, general service foreman, deck clerk, production, office peer designer, field CAD technician, task designer, planner, training coordinator, trainer, packaging material coordinator, logistic warehouse, forklift operator, valid Qatar license, forklift operator, valid Qatar license, logistics suffering coordinator, valid Qatar license, forklift operator, senior equipment operator, bearing line and valid Qatar license, inventory clerk, valid Qatar license, valid trailer crane operator, senior equipment operator, RMG valid operator license, equipment operator, valid Qatar license, shuttle bus driver, valid Qatar license. Candidate, those who are interested can walk in through Mumbai office, or you can share your CV and given Gmail ID, or you can contact on given mention number. There is another recruitment for a base load again for the free recruitment. Free recruitment final client interview at Baroda shortly. Electrical technician, fire and gas technician, instrument technician, mechanical technician, technician labor, analyzer technician, instrument technician, reliability, welder, steel cap operator, fabricator technician, wall technician, carpenter, admin assistant, general service foreman, director production, CPCO designer, CAD technician, cast engineer, planner, training coordinator, trainer, packaging material coordinator, logistic warehouse, forklift operator, valid Qatar license, forklift logistic staffing coordinator, valid Qatar forklift license, valid inventory clerk, valid Qatar license, warehouse treasurer, trailer, valid operator license, senior equipment operator, SMG, valid Qatar license, equipment operator, valid Qatar license, shuttle bus driver, valid Qatar license. Candidate, those are interested can walk into our Baroda office and you can share your CV at given Gmail ID, or you can contact our mentioned number. Here is another requirement for Qatar offshore construction manpower short-term project, large requirement, virtual interview shortly, coating plaster, QC supervisor, HSC officer, HSC supervisor, welding inspector, painter, coating supervisor, piping fitter, electrician, electrical supervisor, welder 6GR plus 6G argon welding, welder 6GR, 6G CO2 welding, rigger supervisor for men, minimum level 3 OPD and 2 certificate, rigger minimum level 1 OPD certificate, free food and accommodation, attractive salary, immediate departure, must have all candidates should have relevant experience. Candidate those who are interested can walk in through our Mumbai office, or you can share your CV on given Gmail ID, or you can contact your mentioned number. Here is another requirement for QCon, a leading oil and gas company short-term project. Free recruitment, walk-in interview, client in shortly, shortlisting in progress. Area coordinator, transport, gas trailer, scheduler, planner, supervisor, piping, supervising rigging, supervisor walls, training coordinator, trainer, coordinating in supervisor scaffolding, planning, supervisor welding, supervisor painting, cleaner, wall. Candidate those who are interested can walk in through Mumbai office and you can share your CV at the given Gmail ID or you can contact your given mention number. Here is another requirement for Qatar offshore construction manpower requirement, short-term project, large requirement, virtual interview shortly, coating plaster, QC supervisor, HSC officer, HS supervisor, welding inspector, painter, coating supervisor, piping fitter, electrician, electrical supervisor, welder, 6G, 6GR, argon welding, welder, 6GR, 6G, CO2 welding, rigger supervisor, foreman, minimum level 3 OPD certified and rigger minimum level 1 OPD certified, free food and accommodation, attractive salary, immediate departure, must have all candidates should have relevant experience. Candidate those interested can walk in through our Mumbai office or you can share your CV at given Gmail ID or you can contact our mentioned number. Here is another requirement for QCon Qatar, leading one of the oil and gas company, area coordinator, transport explorer, supervisor, scaffolding supervisor, hydro testing supervisor, hydrojetting, supervisor equipment, supervisor fabricator, superintendent, coordinator, painting coordinator, scaffolding. Candidate those are interested can walk in through our Mumbai office and you can share your CV at the given Gmail ID. Shortlisting in progress and you can contact your given mention number. Here is another requirement for one of the leading oil and gas contractor company UAE, urgent requirement, long-term project, shortlisting in progress, virtual interview shortly, pipe fitter, structural fitter, general fitter, rigger, attractive salary, free food, accommodation and transportation. Candidate those are interested can walk in through our Mumbai office or you can share your CV at a given Gmail ID and you can walk into our and you can contact to a given mention number or you can scan on the barcode and apply. There is another requirement for Qatar, leading construction and oil and gas, free recruitment, virtual interview shortly, urgent requirement, 2 years project, extendable, HSC officer, salary will be 4,200 Qatari Riyal, basic salary, accommodation provided, food provided, and QR code 300 food allowance, transportation provided, working hours as per the project requirement, no overtime, work visa, Muslim candidates, requirement excellent English should be there, skill, GCC experience mandatory, minimum 5 years oil and gas industrial experience, experiences process plants and industrial projects, minimum 5 years of total experience, age between 28 to 40 years, documents required, updated CV, passport, NEBO certificate and others. Shortlisting in progress. Candidate can walk in through our Mumbai office or you can share your CV at given Gmail ID or you can scan on apply for the barcode. Here is another requirement for UAE, one of the leading oil and gas contracting company. Urgent requirement, long-term project. Client interview on 29 August at Anuptek, where for positions like welder, multi-SS, welder, GTW, SS, welder, plate, fabricator, pipe fitter, structure steel, sandblaster, painter, millwright, helper, rigger, driver, HTV bus, man lift operator, minimum 3 years of experience, must have UAE valid or expired driving license, attractive salary, free food, accommodation and transportation, shortlisting in progress. Candidate those are interested can walk in through our Mumbai office or you can share your CV at a given Gmail ID or you can apply on given barcode. Here is another requirement for UAE for one of the leading oil and gas contractors company. Long-term project, urgent requirement, virtual interview shortly. Heavy bus driver, light driver, shortlisting progress, must have more than 5 years of experience in the oil and gas industry, must hold a UAE heavy bus driving license, valid or experience, free transportation, attractive salary, free food, accommodation. Candidates, those who are interested, can walk in through our Mumbai office, or you can share your CV on given Gmail ID, or you can contact your given mentioned number. Another requirement for UAE job, oil and gas contractor, long-term project, virtual interview shortly, heater shrink, sleeve coating technician, experience for requirement, minimum 2 to 5 years, experience in pipeline, coating a field joint, coating operator, experience in oil and gas pipeline or EPC project, hands-on experience with heat shrink, sleeve HSC coating systems such as Deacon and fidelity with international standard and client specification for piping coating application, ability to perform the surface preparation, preheating and sleeve installation, final inspection on project requirement, knowledge of the coating, quality control and procedure and safety standard, attractive salary, free food, accommodation and transportation. Apply now and shortlisting progress. Candidate, those who are interested, can walk in through our Mumbai office, or you can share your CV at given Gmail ID, or you can apply on given barcode. Another requirement for UAE jobs for one of the leading oil and gas contractor company. Online interview shortly. Urgent requirement. Long-term project. Storekeeper ENI AED 2,500 to material handler AED 1,500. Bus driver AED 2,200 required. UAE bus license. Shortlisting in progress. Minimum 3 years of girls experience is required. Free food, accommodation, transportation. Please visit our Mumbai office, or you can contact to our mentioned number, or you can share your CV on given Gmail ID, or you can apply through a given barcode. Here is another requirement for Kuwait, urgent requirement, a leading engineering and contracting company, virtual interview shortly, quality control inspector, mechanical, calibration instrument technician, scaffolder requirement, minimum 5 years of experience, Gulf experience mandatory. Candidates, those who are interested, can walk in through our Mumbai office, or you can contact on mention number, or you can share your CV and given Gmail ID, or you can apply through us given barcode. Mr. Ravi Kumar, see for the for CNC machining, you can go through our website, or you can check on Facebook or LinkedIn. You can go through our website and you can check for the your position. Manoj Kumar, for the store administration, you can go through our website and you can check our many requirements are coming through the website for LinkedIn, Facebook. You can check on the. You can send us on the CVs to the Gmail ID. Shah Alam, for the electric heavy equipment, you can go through our website and you can mail on the given Gmail ID, or you can contact through our Mumbai office. For the BTech mechanical engineering, you can go through our website. For piping fabrication, you can check on the vacancies on the like LinkedIn, Facebook. You can contact us with the given number, or you can send your CV on the Gmail. Mr. Sandeep, is for the Saudi Arabia, for the accounts, you can go through our website. You can check on the LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, like many of the parts. So you can go through it and send your CV on Gmail ID. Isako, for the electrician, you can contact to our Mumbai office, or you can send your number to at a given Gmail. You can you can contact us and send your CV on Gmail ID.
Okay. Thank you, Rajesh sir. So here our live session ends. Before going ahead, can okay. So we have the requirements for like yeah. So we have a head office in Mumbai. So you can candidates who are interested and you can come to our Mumbai office. You can also share the Seagull resume, resume at seagullhr.com. Okay, so we are having offices and branches in different locations as well, like in Cochin and Chennai, and other branches Vadodara, Delhi, then Vizag, Kolkata, as well. We have okay. It's a great connecting with you, every one of you. We will meet again on the next Friday live. Interested candidate, you can scan your QR code here, and your recruiter will get connected to you for the further opportunities. Thank you so much.